guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. This is a 20-inch wig from Goulus hair. It is a straight 4x4 lace front wig. It does have a bang, so the bangs are already cut, but you guys know I did adjust the wig so it could be a side part because I don't do bangs or really middle parts, to be honest. I love my side bang. It is in a natural color, which is like a dark brown, or it looks like dark brown, not so much black color. Like I said, at 20 inches, you guys. Let me show you guys the back. Excuse my background, y'all. I am doing this hair review in the kitchen because I am charging my phone on the island because my phone is literally was like 2% before I filmed this, and I just really want to put this video up for you guys. But you guys, look at this texture, look at this length, very natural, very realistic, very silky, straight. You guys, this is 100% human hair. Straighten it, dye it, bleach it, anything you guys would like to do. Yeah, I feel like a Barbie in this wig. This is so cute. So here is the hair on the packaging. Let's go ahead and open it. So inside the packaging they have these super cute lashes. Look at these. I think it says Darlena, I don't know, but these are beautiful in purple. Look at the glitter. I love that it always comes with gifts. Then it comes with a wig cap. You guys see right here. Now let's get into this wig. But you guys, this wig is such good quality. Look at this middle part. You guys can see the lace right here. There is lace in the front. There's a wig right here. Such good quality. Here's the quality, you guys. Look how long, how nice that looks. You guys can see the middle part right here. You can see the lace. It is a lace front in the front. It does have this strap. You guys can see if you guys want to adjust it. I did notice on this wig there's no combs at the top, but there are combs on the side. So there's one right here, the comb in the middle, and there is adjustable strap at the bottom. So you guys, this wig is very well made. I'm very happy with it, and I cannot wait to wear it. If you guys are interested in this wig, definitely check the description box below. I'll have the link to the wig. I will have a discount code. So let me know if you guys like it. Sorry, my kids are in FaceTime in the background interrupting my video. But anyways, if you guys did like it, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.